What's up, guys? I'm Bobby with Camplife Customs, and we are a van builder that started in the recreational adventure van build market. And over the last couple of years, we've had the opportunity to really build a name for ourselves in the commercial van build side of things. We've had many organizations come to us with very specific needs and some big challenges that needed big solutions. And we have the capability and the skills to accomplish these tasks. In 2024, the Department of Justice contacted us and had 2 different vehicles that they needed built for their mobile shooting investigations units. So what they needed was 2 different all-wheel drive vehicles. They needed to be Ford Transits, and they needed from front to back to be kitted and outfitted with all the different equipment that they need to accomplish their goals. So we came up with this design. We did everything from the exterior wrap, the logo designs, the marking of the vehicles, sirens, lighting, and then all of the interior solutions. In this van, we have a full kitchen, a refrigerator, a microwave. We built a desk/workstation with a robust electronic component system. They have 2 high-definition screens at the desk location, and then forward on the other side of that partition, they have a dinette that has another screen with the capability to plug a computer in so that they can view footage on site and on the scene, but also the capability to do investigations, bring people in for interviews, and what have you. When we approached the design of a vehicle that was going to have such heavy use, we had to think of longevity, as well as using materials that will hold up and stand the test of time. Some of these materials include a lawn seal type of floor that has a non-slip coating to it, and it really holds up for a long time. Our countertops, we use Thinscape. This stuff does not scratch easy. It will really last a long time. All of our laminates, we use hex ply. All of these different materials, we use nothing but the best. All of our substrates, all of our paneling are made with a Baltic birch marine grade plywood. With everything inside the van from front to back, we thought of ways of things to be able to come apart so that we could easily maintain those systems. When it comes to the electronic component system, we had to think of ease of access and ease of use as very straightforward design so that on the fly, if they had an issue, they would be able to diagnose it. So accessibility was a very important factor in this build. You don't need a tool at all to be able to tear apart any of the different systems here. This has thumb screws to be able to take off this flush panel. Very simple, no tools required. For the overhead cabinetry and walls, wall finishes, countertop finishes, all of them have very high quality materials that will stand up and hold up over a long period of time with heavy use. In the overhead cabinetry, we did some heavy duty locking latches so that all of their equipment is secure when they are underway. When you're designing a commercial van build, you have, as I've said, many specific needs. There's no templates for these things. From front to back, they are full custom. So we designed some custom gun lockers so that when they have evidence on the scene, they're able to secure those different pieces of evidence, lock them up, and keep those things secure. California State Parks came to us with some pretty big needs. There was a huge challenge that we had to overcome, which was cutting a hole in the van, creating an automated hatch that opened up so that we could create a live interactive experience for educational purposes. With a project like this California State Parks build, there are no templates, and that's typically where you'll be turned away at other builders, where they are built for repetition, and our shop is built for complexity. We don't just spit builds out, we actually take the time to design very in-depth, very high-quality projects. Companies come to us for their commercial van build needs, because where others say no, we say yes. We welcome the challenge. I'm Bobby with Camplife Customs. Reach out to us on our website to start the conversation, camplifecustoms.com.